Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download page-level SEO crawl reports from JetOctopus, full guide step-by-step clearly. To download page-level SEO crawl reports from JetOctopus, first, log into your JetOctopus account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Projects section and select the project for which you want to download the report. After selecting the project, look for the Crawls tab in the menu. Click on the Crawls tab to view your crawl history. Find the specific crawl you want to analyze based on the date and time. Once you've located the crawl, click on it to open the detailed view. In the detailed view, look for the Reports section. Within the Reports section, you will see various report options available. Select Page-level SEO to proceed to the download options. After selecting the Page-level SEO report, review the data displayed. Look for the Download button, typically located at the top or bottom of the report view. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. Choose the desired file format for your download, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm any pop-up prompts that may appear regarding your download. The report will now be processed and prepared for download. Once processing is complete, the file will automatically download to your computer. Check your Downloads folder for the report file. You can now open the file using your preferred software to review the page-level SEO data. That concludes the steps for downloading page-level SEO crawl reports from JetOctopus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.